Welcome to Learn English Smoothly. Today, we will learn 15 useful phrases and verbs for tools and repairs. These will help you sound natural in English when fixing things. Let's get started.
Use a hammer. I need to use a hammer to hit the nail. Tighten a screw. Can you tighten the screw with a screwdriver? Loosen a screw. This screw is too tight. Please loosen it. Fix the chair. The chair is broken. I will fix the chair. Repair the table. He can repair the table. With some tools. Cut the wire. Use scissors to cut the wire. Drill a hole. I will drill a hole in the wall. Measure the wood. We should measure the wood before cutting. Build a shelf. Let's build a shelf for the books. Break the glass. Be careful. Don't break the glass. Glue the pieces. We can glue the broken pieces together. Paint the wall. They will paint the wall white. Replace the bulb. I need to replace the light bulb. Check the machine. Please check the machine before using it. Turn on the drill. He will turn on the drill to make a hole.
Great job! Today we learned 15 useful verbs and phrases for tools and repairs. Practice them, and you will speak English more naturally. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English videos. See you next time.